Karnataka all set for Unlock 1.0. Hotels and restaurants to allow dine-in after over 2 months. Preparations begin. Hotels to ensure hand sanitizers and thermal screening at the entrance. Only asymptomatic staff and guests. Face masks at all times. Social distancing and recording of guests. Temples are also all set to reopen tomorrow. Cleaning and sanitizing efforts begin at Gavi Gangadhareshwara Temple and TTD Temple in Malleshwaram. No prasadam to be distributed and social distancing norms to be followed here as well. Mosques and churches also begin preparations to open doors to devotees. Strict guidelines to be followed at the religious institutions. No crowding or huge congregation to be allowed. Temples, mosques and churches to ensure sanitizers for devotees visiting. Controversy over reopening of KR Market in Bengaluru while farmers demand reopening. The BBMP officials are reluctant over fears that farmers from neighbouring districts would also visit, making it difficult to track them in case of virus spread. Karnataka registers 378 fresh COVID-19 cases, taking the total tally to 5,213. The death toll due to COVID-19 in the state has risen to 59. Active cases stand at 3,184, out of which 11 people are being treated in the ICU. 121 new cases of COVID-19 reported in Udupi. Coastal Karnataka bears the brunt of interstate travel. 785 active cases and 101 discharges and 1 COVID-19 death being reported from the district. 300 out of the 378 new cases reported from Karnataka for COVID-19 have a travel history to other states. Over 250 cases have a travel history to Maharashtra. More cases reported in coastal and Kalyana Karnataka region having a Maharashtra link. It is home at last for several foreign nationals. 128 Somalian nationals who were stranded in Hyderabad amid the lockdown left for their country on a repatriation flight from Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. They had been stuck for over 2 months in India because of the lockdown and suspension of air flights across the country. India reports another highest single-day spike in COVID-19 cases. 9,882 new cases come to light in the last 24 hours. Total number of cases in the country now stand at 2,36,657, including 1,15,942 active cases. There have been 6,642 deaths. And President Trump claims countries like India and China would have much more corona cases than America if testing increases. Defends US coronavirus numbers. US now remains the worst hit country in the world with nearly 1.9 million cases and over 1,09,000 deaths.